General laws of exponents. Multiplication rule. Let's multiply two powers that have the same numbers as their base. Simplify 2 to the power of 4 times 2 cubed. Rewrite the powers in the expanded form. We get 2 to the power of 4 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. We can see that the number 2 has been multiplied by itself 7 times. So we can write the product in exponential form as 2 to the power of 7. Observe that the exponent 7 of base 2 can also be obtained by adding the exponents of the two powers that were multiplied. Now let's multiply two powers that have the same variables as their base. Simplify x to the power of 4 times x squared. We write the powers in the expanded form. We get x times x times x times x times x times x. We can see that the variable x has been multiplied by itself 6 times. So we can write the product in exponential form as x to the power of 6. Observe that the exponent 6 of base x is also the sum of the exponents of the two powers. We can generalize this pattern as a multiplication rule of exponents. When we multiply powers with the same base, we keep the base the same and simply add the exponents. A to the power of m times a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. Here a is the base and m and n are exponents. M and n are natural numbers and a does not equal 0. When we say that we need to keep the base the same, it means that we must not multiply the bases. 2 squared times 2 to the power of 5 does not equal 4 to the power of 7. The correct answer is 2 to the power of 7 and not 4 to the power of 7. Note carefully that we cannot use the multiplication rule to multiply powers with unlike bases. For example, 2 squared times 3 cubed does not equal 2 times 3, the whole raised to the power of 2 plus 3. A to the power of m times b to the power of n does not equal a times b, the whole raised to the power of m plus n. Also, this multiplication rule does not apply when we are adding two powers. 2 squared plus 2 cubed does not equal 2 to the power of 2 plus 3. A to the power of m plus a to the power of n does not equal a to the power of m plus n.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.